Are you thinking of hiring Wichita Maid Service to clean your office but can't quite decide? Well, here are 5 reasons you should. 1. Our maids are skilled in cleaning, dusting, and sanitizing. Experts know what to do in order to ensure a clean work environment. 2. Delegating cleaning duties to staff might save a little money, but it can really sink their morale. Office workers don't want to clean the bathrooms, empty the trash, or dust. Let them do what they do best and leave the cleaning to the professionals. 3. Dust and other allergens build up quickly in hard-to-get places that are often missed by regular staff. The professionals know where to look to keep your office dust free and the allergies at bay. 4. A cleaning service can help to ensure that paper products such as toilet paper and paper towels are always stocked. 5. When offices are kept clean and sanitized, your workers are less likely to call in sick. Less illness equals more productivity. You will also make a lasting impression on customers. Visit www.wichitamaidservice.com to submit a quote request or call us at 316-477-0101. Wichita Maid Service, referred for a reason.